हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार, सभी को स्वागत है एक्सेल इन करंट अफेयर्स वीकली स्कोर बूस्टर सेशन में। एज यू ऑल नो, एवरी संडे 7 PM वी हैव दिस वीकली रिविजन सेशन. This is a weekly revision or wrap up of the current affairs of the entire week, right? So what I tell you every day is that आपको डेली हमारे ऐप से करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ना है, बिकॉज reading the daily current affairs and staying updated is very important for all competitive exams. So you need to read the daily current affairs, okay, anywhere from any source. You can also check our app on the Google Play Store. In the app you will find the detailed current affairs, okay. In the current affairs section app में आपको current affairs section मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे in detailed current affairs आपको मिल जाएगा, okay. So do not miss this session because this is a complete revision of the entire current affairs of the week, okay, right. So in this session we discuss the current affairs in MCQ format. So before we start the session, let me tell you one thing. Please download the Exigence Educator app, okay. App में आपको free quiz मिल जाएगा, okay. You can read the daily current affairs, right. So this is the home page of our app. यहाँ पे आपको current affairs दिखेगा, current affairs. Just click on it, you will find the daily in detailed current affairs, all right, along with the static facts, right. And in the home page you will find the general awareness quiz. What is it? It is the free monthly current affairs quiz. Free quiz, it is free for all, okay. Free monthly current affairs quiz, it is free for all. Please do attempt it before your mains, ठीक है, and also before your SSC CGL and CHSL. Please do attempt the free quiz. Free current affairs quiz हमारे ऐप पे आपको मिल जाएगा, okay. Also you can purchase premium mocks. Price is very low, 269 for 2000 plus mocks, okay. You will get access to all competitive exams like mock test for all competitive exams like bank, SSC, railways, okay, and also some PSCs as well, right. And also you will get the premium mocks for upcoming CET, all right. So don't worry about that, you can subscribe to our mocks, right. The mocks will get updated very soon, right. Once the CET notification is out, we will update the mocks for CET as well. So don't worry about that. And also you can ask your doubts. डिस्कशन फोरम मिल जाएगा आपको ऐप में, एक डिस्कशन फोरम है, वहाँ पे आप अपना डाउट पोस्ट कीजिए, क्वेश्चन क्वेरीज जो भी है आप पोस्ट कीजिए, वी विल एड्रेस दोज क्वेरीज, ओके. सो डू डाउनलोड द ऐप एंड रीड द डेली करंट अफेयर्स, क्योंकि करंट अफेयर्स सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट, राइट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द सेशन विदाउट फर्दर अडू. So this is our first question. Which state has unveiled India's first earthquake mobile app? Very very important from the exam point of view. So you have to say which state has unveiled India's first earthquake mobile app. So time's almost up, as you can see. Yes. So what will be the answer? Yes, answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has unveiled India's first earthquake mobile app. Have a look here. So the mobile app has been developed by IIT Roorkee. Okay, it will issue early warnings with respect to earthquakes. So very very important. The name of the app is Uttarakhand Bhukamp Alert, right. Uttarakhand Bhukamp Alert, this is the name of the app, okay. So Uttarakhand becomes the first state in the country to avail the facility of such an app. So this is quite important, very very important from the exam point of view, okay. Now let us have a look at the list of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park, Rajaji National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, Valley of Flowers National Park, Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, Gangotri National Park, Sona Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary and Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary. Very very important, Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary, right. अच्छा, इसके बाद let us have a look here. State bird of Uttarakhand, Himalayan monal. So this is the state bird, Himalayan monal, ठीक है, Himalayan monal, right. And what is the state animal of Uttarakhand? Alpine musk deer. Alpine musk deer, very very important, okay. This can also be asked in any examination like SSC CGL, CHSL, state PSC examinations, ठीक है. और इस क्लास का PDF टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, okay. Just click on the link and join our telegram channel. Who laid the foundation stone of Uttar Pradesh State Institute of Forensic Sciences in Lucknow? Uttar Pradesh State Institute of Forensic Science in Lucknow. So who is it? Who laid the foundation stone? Very very important, again from the exam point of view. Yes, answer will be Amit Shah. Amit Shah has laid the foundation stone of Uttar Pradesh State Institute of Forensic Science in Lucknow. And mark my words, these current affairs are very important for SSC, CGL, CHSL, ठीक है, CGL, CHSL, railway exams conducted by RRB, RRC, RRB NTPC, RRC Group D, then West Bengal Civil Service, okay, JRBT, Tripura PSC, okay, Odisha PSC, okay, Bihar PSC, fine, IBPS, SBI. So all competitive exams are being covered in under a single umbrella, okay, in a single class. Next one, which state has launched the mission Niryatak Bano campaign? Niryatak Bano, okay, or you can say Niryatak Bano, to promote aspiring exporters in the state. Niryatak Bano किस राज्य ने लॉन्च किया है? यस, माय आंसर विल बी राजस्थान. राजस्थान लॉन्चेस Niryatak Bano mission to help the local traders take business aboard. Okay. So this is mainly for promoting the exporters or the local traders, right, to expand their business. ठीक है ना. चलिए next one, the Maharashtra Bhushan Selection Commission or committee chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has unanimously selected whom for the prestigious Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2021. So Maharashtra Bhushan Award किसको मिलने वाला है? Yes, it is आशा भोसले. आशा ताई को मिलने वाला है महाराष्ट्र भूषण सिलेक्शन कमिटी का जो अवार्ड है. ओके, द नेम ऑफ द अवार्ड इज महाराष्ट्र भूषण अवार्ड 2021. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई एम मार्किंग इट, ओके, विथ 3 स्टार्स. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. हु हैज वोन द प्रेस्टिजियस विल ईस्नर Comic Industry Award, considered the Oscars equivalent of the comics world? Very very important again. So what will be the answer? So PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा और टेलीग्राम चैनल का नाम है एक्सिजेंस एजुकेटर. टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. प्लीज डाउनलोड द PDF आफ्टर द क्लास इज ओवर. सो आंसर इज आनंद राधाकृष्णन, मुंबई बेस्ड इलस्ट्रेटर आनंद राधाकृष्णन विन्स द प्रेस्टिजियस ईस्नर अवार्ड. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन. Who has launched multiple educational initiatives including the Academic Bank of Credit that will provide multiple entries and exit options for the students in higher education? So multiple exit or multiple entry, so this is a new concept. Obviously this will be very important for higher education of the students. It is none other than PM Modi. PM Modi launched the Academic Bank of Credit, okay, for the education sector. Alright, very very important from the exam point of view. Next one, ace Indian बैडमिंटन प्लेयर PV Sindhu defeated whom to win the bronze medal in the women's singles event at the Tokyo Olympics? So ये भी पूछ लेता है कभी कभी. So PV Sindhu has defeated whom, and that person she hails from yes, which country? So very very important. Okay, so it is He Bingzhou. Okay, so PV Sindhu has recently defeated He Bingzhou, right, to win the bronze medal, right. So it is quite important from the exam point of view, and she is from China, right, Chinese badminton player. Okay, she hails from China. ये भी पूछ सकता है आपको एग्जाम में, right. Which country has taken over from France to assume the presidency of the United Nations Security Council for the month of August? So for the month of August, which country is going to become the president of UNSC, United Nations Security Council? So yes, answer will be India. India. और UNSC का headquarters कहाँ है? Please do mention in the comment section. Headquarters. I want to see everyone's answer in the comment section. UNSC headquarters. UNSC headquarters कहाँ पे है? Please do mention in the comment section. ठीक है? So India takes over UNSC presidency for August. Next, who participated in G20 Culture Ministers meeting on behalf of the government of India? G20 Culture Ministers meeting on behalf of the government of India. Who participated? Very very important again from the exam point of view. So what will be the answer? Yes, answer will be Meenakshi Lekhi. As you can see here, G20 Culture Ministers meeting. So who was the host country? Host country was Italy. Italy hosted it. Okay, so very very important, Meenakshi Lekhi, right. Next, sorry, so I had revealed the answer, no issue. Who has taken over as the Controller General of Accounts, CGA? Okay, Controller General of Accounts. Yes, it is none other than Deepak Das. So, he is the 25th person in office, 25th person in office, right. So, this is quite important from the exam point of view, right, 25th person to take over as the Controller General of Accounts, very very important. Take care. So, please and also you must know the you must also know the name of the present CAG, Controller and Auditor General. So, ये भी पूछ सकता है आपको, okay. So, this is also important, and also 24th CGA, Controller General of Accounts, who was she? It is none other than Shoma Roy Burman. Shoma Roy Burman. Okay. So, Deepak Das has taken over after Shoma Rai Burman, right. Okay. Next one, Muslim Women Rights Day was observed on dash across the country to celebrate the enactment of law against triple talaq. So, when is Muslim Women Rights Day observed? So, do tally your answer with me guys. मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. What will be the answer? Yes, times up. Answer will be 1st August. Muslim Women Rights Day is observed on 1st August, and this is the second time it is being celebrated. Okay, it was first celebrated in 2020. पहली बार 2020 में सेलिब्रेट हुआ है ये. ओके, जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट द enactment of the law of triple talaq. Okay, law against triple talaq. ठीक है. Okay, so very very important, and as you all know, India enacted that law of triple talaq on 1st August 2019. ठीक है, I hope you remember, right. Next one, the theme of World Breastfeeding Week 2021, which is used to raise awareness of the importance of breastfeeding for mothers and infants, is protect breastfeeding, a shared responsibility. So, you have to say it is observed during the duration, which duration, what is the duration of the week. Okay. So, yes, answer will be 1st to 7th of August, 1st August to 7th of August. So, this is the theme, protect breastfeeding, a shared responsibility, right. Okay. And the annual week is observed by 3 entities: WABA, WHO, World Health Organization, and UNICEF. Okay. So, these 3 organizations have been observing this, right, since 1991. And what is the full form of WABA? World Alliance for Breastfeeding. Okay, right. So, what is the full form of WABA? This is also quite important. ये भी पूछ लेता है कभी कभी. So, this can also be asked. What is the full form of WABA? Right. World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action. Right. World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action. Next, who will launch the e-rupee, an e-voucher based digital payment solution via video conferencing? So, who is going to launch it? Who is going to launch it? So, do tell your answer with me guys. Yes, my answer will be PM Modi. PM Modi is going to launch the e-rupee digital payment solution on 2nd August. So, he has launched it, right, on 2nd August, very very important, right. E-voucher based digital payment solution, right. It will be one of the programs launched over the years to limit touch points between the government and the beneficiary and ensure that the benefits reach its intended beneficiaries in a targeted and leak proof manner. The book In an Ideal World, which will be released next year by Penguin Random House India, has been authored by whom? So, the book In an Ideal World has been authored by whom? Who is the author of this book? In an Ideal World. Yes, my answer will be Kunal Basu. And let us have a look at the other options. Bimal Jalan's book, The India Story, very important. We had discussed it last week, right. Dr. C.K. Gariyali, the book Bank with a Soul Equitas, it is also quite important because ये news में था. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's book The Stranger in the Mirror, this is also very important. We had also discussed it last week, right. Which has become the first Indian city to achieve 100% COVID-19 vaccination. 100% COVID-19 vaccination. So, which city is it? Yes, my answer will be Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar becomes the first city in India to vaccinate 100% of its population against COVID-19, right. Odisha's Bhubaneswar has become the first city. Okay. Next, Which bank has announced the launch of an overdraft facility for the small retailers in partnership with CSC SPV known as Dukandar Overdraft Scheme? So, Dukandar Overdraft Scheme has been launched by which bank? कौन सा बैंक है ये? Yes, I am speaking of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank launches up to 10 lakh rupees 10 lakh overdraft facility for shopkeepers, merchants to ease cash crunch, right. So, it will approve an overdraft limit from a minimum of 50,000 rupees to maximum of 10 lakhs, that is up to 10 lakhs. Italian luxury brand has appointed the actor, which actor? Its global brand ambassador. So, Italian luxury brand Bulgari, okay, you can pronounce it in that way, okay, because pronunciation may vary. Yes, answer is Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra signed as the global ambassador. So, it is an Italian luxury brand. Next, which bank has entered into an MOU with the Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, SINE, right, in short, an initiative of the IIT Bombay for extending exclusive credit facilities to startups and MSMEs. So, yes, my answer will be Indian Bank. Indian Bank signs an MOU with IIT Bombay for startup financing, just to finance the startups, right. Who has won men's 100-meter gold at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Tokyo Olympics 2020 में मेंस 100 मीटर में किसने गोल्ड जीता है? Yes, what will be the answer? My answer will be Marcel Jacobs. The full name is Lamont Marcel Jacobs and he belongs to Italy. ये भी पूछ लेता है. This can also be asked in the examination. He belongs to which country? He belongs to Italy. You can see the Italian flag behind him, right? Excuse me. Germany's Alexander Zverev has beaten whom 6-3, 6-1 to win the men's singles gold at the Tokyo Olympics. So, he has won it. He belongs to Germany and he has beaten whom? Yes, tally your answer with me. Answer is Karen Khachanov, right. Karen Khachanov belongs to Russia. See, Russian, right, Russian Karen Khachanov, right, alright, very important, ये भी पूछ सकता है, right. And so, how to remember this? GARK, we all know what is bark of a tree, we all know, or we can also say dogs bark, but here replace the B with G. So, G Germany, A Alexander, right, R Russia, K Karen, just you can remember using such tricks. Who became the youngest person in the world to reach the summit of K2, the second highest peak in the world, right. K2 in the Karakoram range, K2 Godwin Austen. So, K2, yes, who is the person? Shehroz Kasif. Challenge your limits. See, Pakistani teenager who summited K2, right. Okay. And youngest person to reach the summit of both K2 and Mount Everest, right. So, this is his picture. Next one, the new book titled Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama, published by Gadur Prakashan, is written by whom? Again important question from the books and authors section. So, Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama has been authored by whom? Yes, it has been authored by Manan Bhatt. So, in this book you will find the details of how India avenged the Pulwama terrorism, the Pulwama terrorist attack. Okay. So, it speaks of Balakot airstrike. Now, let us have a look at the other options. Kavita Rao's book, Lady Doctors, the Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine, important. Ruskin Bond's book, It is a Wonderful Life, It's a Wonderful Life, ये भी न्यूज़ में था. खेमलता वकलू's book, Kashmiri Century, Portrait of a Society in the Flux, ये भी न्यूज़ में था. We had discussed all of this in the previous weeks, right. Which ordnance factory has launched a new high-tech and low-sound weapon called Trika? High-tech and low-sound weapon. So, कौन सा ordnance factory है ये? So, do tell your answer with me, guys. Yes, answer will be Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli. Ordnance Factory in Tamil Nadu launches high-tech carbine Trika, right, carbine named Trika. Okay, so it is Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu, right. Next one, Dash has been honored as the global winner for most innovative in digital banking by Financial Times publication The Banker. in its 2021 Innovation in Digital Banking Awards. So कैसे याद रखेंगे, डिजिटल बैंकिंग इसके साथ एक एस ऐड कर लीजिए. ओके, सो हाउ टू रिमेंबर, DBS एज इन DBS बैंक, राइट. डी और बी डिजिटल बैंकिंग के साथ आप एक एस ऐड कर लीजिए, राइट, एज इन DBS बैंक, as in DBS bank, right. So answer will be D, B and S. Okay, digital banking इसके साथ S ऐड करके as in DBS bank, right, clinches global accolade for innovation in digital banking. Next one, which space agency launched Eutelsat Quantum, the world's first commercial reprogrammable satellite into space aboard Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana. So it has been launched from French Guiana. ये भी पूछ सकता है आपको एग्जाम में. Yes, answer will be ESA, that is European Space Agency. European Space Agency, Eutelsat, EU ऐसे याद रखेंगे, EU, European, right, European Union. Who has launched the theme song for the Indian Paralympic contingent in New Delhi, right. नाम क्या है थीम सॉन्ग का, कर दे कमाल तू, कर दे कमाल तू, डू समथिंग मैजिकल, माइंड ब्लोइंग, वंडरफुल. यस, आंसर विल बी ऑब्वियसली अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर. स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर launches official theme song for India's Paralympic contingent. Very very important, right. So जो नया कैबिनेट है आपका, न्यू लिस्ट ऑफ कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, प्लीज डू रिमेंबर इट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इट. मेरा कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स वाला वीडियो देख लीजिए, चैनल पे है. Who has authored a book about leopard titled, the book is about leopards, right, titled Leopard Diaries, the Rosette in India, in which he says about the food habits, ecological context and conservation of leopard along with the suggestions to overcome leopard human conflict. Yes, answer is Sanjay Gubbi. Now have a look at the other options. Venu Madhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan, both of them are the co-writers, rather the writers of the book The Fourth Lion, Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Sandeep Mishra, this is not Sundip, it is Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep Mishra, his book Fiercely Female, the Duticha story, ये भी बहुत important है, right, very very important. The new book titled My Own Mazagao, right, My Own Mazagao has been authored by whom, यहाँ पे एक bin लगेगा, you can see, right, it is grammatically incorrect. Yes, has been authored by whom. So yes, answer will be Captain Ramesh Babu, My Own Mazagao, right, the history of a little island in the Bombay archipelago, right, Captain Ramesh Babu. Now other options देख लेते हैं. The Seven Sins of Being a Mother, Tahira Kashyap Khurana. Kajal Suri's book Habba Khatun, important. Amitav Ghosh's book The Nutmeg's Curse, ये भी बहुत important है. We had covered this in the last weeks, right. World's largest star sapphire cluster has been found in Ratnapura, in which country? So Ratnapura कहाँ पे है, किस देश में है? World's largest star sapphire, very very important, ये भी पूछ सकता है एग्जाम में, right. So it is in which country? Yes, it is in Sri Lanka, and the worth, it is 100 million, okay, 100 million worth star sapphire, and Ratnapura is known as the gem capital, okay, of Sri Lanka, the gem capital of Sri Lanka, okay, famous for its gems, right, gem capital of Sri Lanka, very very important. Next one, who has won the Hungarian Grand Prix 2021? So कुछ लोग Prix बोलते हैं, I call it Prix, right. Hungarian Grand Prix 2021 held on 1st August at the Hungaroring, right, in Magyar, Hungary. Yes, answer is Esteban Ocon, right, Esteban Ocon, it is his maiden win, right. Next, name the new and enhanced feature launched by State Bank of India SBI for its YONO and YONO Lite platform. So I hope most people use SBI YONO, isn't it, because most of you are having accounts in SBI, isn't it. So yes, answer will be SIM binding. Have a look, SIM binding feature for YONO and YONO Lite apps to protect the users from online fraud. ठीक है, because we all know in the lockdown session and uh, in these times, right. Okay, in the present time there are so many frauds, bank frauds, online frauds, scams, right. So initiatives must be taken by the banks so that the money of the customers remains safe in their hands. Next one, who has been reappointed the Prime Minister of Armenia? Who has been reappointed the Prime Minister of Armenia? So what is the answer? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. Yes, times up. Answer is Nikol Pashinyan. Nikol Pashinyan. Okay. Next one. Which of the following country has clinched not his, okay, has clinched its 7th CONCACAF Gold Cup? 7 CONCACAF Gold Cup. So ये recently news में था. Yes, answer is USA. USA has defeated Mexico, right? Okay, over Mexico. You can see. Okay, 1-0, right? Very important. Okay, all right. Next one. RBI imposed dash penalty on Bengaluru based HP Hewlett Packard Financial Services India Private Limited. HP Financial Services पे कितना penalty RBI ने impose किया है? So what will be the answer? Yes, my answer will be 6 lakhs. RBI imposes 6 lakh penalty on HP Financial Services Hewlett Packard. Next one, Dash has become the first Indian Navy ship to call at the heritage coastal port of Gopalpur in Odisha. So what will be the answer? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. Yes, my answer will be INS Khanjar. Okay, answer will be INS Khanjar. Okay, very important again from the exam point of view. Please do note it. The answer will be INS Khanjar. ठीक है. So you can see here INS Khanjar becomes the first Indian Navy ship to call at heritage coastal port. ठीक है, INS Khanjar, and it is the first INS Indian Navy ship. Okay, and the 2-day visit was organized as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So as you all know, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Okay, as well as Swarnim Vijay Verse celebrations to commemorate the 75th anniversary of Independence Day and 50th anniversary of the 1971 war, right. You can see here 50th anniversary of the 1971 war. Next, who took charge as MD Managing Director of LIC ahead of proposed IPO, initial public offering? So you all know that the insurance bill, the bill for the privatization of the insurance companies has already been passed, isn't it? So very soon the insurance companies may be privatized, right. Okay, and after that there are talks of the privatization of the nationalized banks, right. Okay, so first insurance companies will be privatized and after that the banks will be privatized, right. So India is heading towards a mass privatization drive, huge privatization drive, right. So answer is Mini Ipe. Okay, Mini Ipe takes charge as LIC MD Managing Director. Next one, BRO Border Roads Organization has constructed and blacktopped the highest road in the world at Umlingla Pass in eastern Ladakh at 19,300 feet. So just you have to say who is the Director General of BRO Border Roads Organization. Yes, Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary. So the road itself is a 52-kilometer long tarmac stretch through Umlingla Pass. Okay, Chumar sector at eastern Ladakh, right, very important. So this is the entire news, right. Next, Tribal Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, that is TriFed, has celebrated its 34th foundation day. When? On which date? Okay, so you have to mention the date only, you just have to mention the date. Yes, my answer will be, times up, answer will be 6th August, 6th August 2021, celebrating 34 years of TriFed. So here you will find the detailed news, and after that my question is, who is the Foreign Minister of Bangladesh? Just have a look here at the detailed news. So, you just have to say who is the foreign minister of Bangladesh. Okay. So, let us have a look at the answer, Dr. A.K. Abdul Momen. Okay. Now, what is the news? India has emphasized the implementation of the recently signed MOU with Bangladesh over disaster management, resilience and mitigation on a priority basis, right. Bangladesh has decided to accept the invitation to join the CDRI. What is it? Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. So, who is the Prime Minister? Sorry, not the Prime Minister, the Foreign Minister. Yes, answer is A.K. Abdul Momen, right. Who is going to become the first female director of the ZSI, that is Zoological Survey of India, in 100 years. First female director in 100 years. So, who is she? Yes, do tally your answer with me. Time's up. Answer is Dr. Dhriti Banerjee, right. Prolific scientist. She is a prolific scientist, right. And of course, she had in fact co-authored the book The Glorious 100 Women's Scientific Contribution in ZSI. Okay. She had co-authored the book, right. So, yes, what will be the answer? And what is the headquarters of Zoological Survey of India? It is in Kolkata. Kolkata, right, founded in the year 1916. Okay, it has 16 regional centers, 16 regional centers founded in 1916. ये ज़रूर याद रखना आप लोग, ठीक है. Which became the 5th country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. 5th country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. So क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Yes, answer will be Germany, right. Germany became the 5th country to do so. Next one, the government of which state has received the four Scotch Awards for its schemes under the Ease of Doing Business initiative? Very important. So, yes, what will be the answer? It is none other than West Bengal. See, 4 West Bengal schemes win Scotch Awards, right, as mentioned by Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Okay. And the state scheme Shilpo Sathi, the online single window portal, won the Platinum Award. Okay. Very important. And auto renewal certificate of enlistment through online system for the urban areas has won the Gold Award. Okay. Scotch Awards. So, you can see here, right, Scotch Gold Award and Scotch Platinum Awards, right. And who is the governor of West Bengal? It is none other than Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar. ठीक है, चलिए next one. Annually, which date marks the anniversary of the atomic bombing in Hiroshima during the World War II? So, which day is it? So, bombing of Hiroshima, yes. Do tally your answer with me. Yes, answer will be 6th of August, Hiroshima Day. 6th August is Hiroshima Day. Okay, during the Second World War, which was active in 1939 to 45, the world's first deployed atomic bomb with more than, so some pronounce it as bomb, right, and some pronounce it as bomb, right. Deployed atomic bomb with more than 9,000 pounds uranium-235 was loaded, and US B-29 bomber aircraft, the Enola Gay, attacked the Japanese city of Hiroshima on 6th August 1945. It killed 70,000 people, wiping out almost 90% of the city. 10,000 people died due to the effect of the radiation exposure. Devastation, mass devastation, isn't it, right. Next one, and this is the 76th, 2021 marks the 76th anniversary of the world's first atomic bombing. Which bank has crossed the milestone of over 1 million customers on its WhatsApp banking channel with a total request count of 6 million till now? So, ये जो बैंक है ये recently news में था. Okay. And so, what is the answer? Yes, answer will be Axis Bank. Axis Bank crosses the milestone of 1 million customers on WhatsApp banking. So, WhatsApp banking feature, I hope you all know, I hope you all are aware of it, WhatsApp banking, because you can now pay through WhatsApp, isn't it. PM Modi has announced the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award will be renamed as. So, what is the new name of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? So, do tell your answer with me, guys. So, ये भी news में था recently. So, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award will now be known as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. after the hockey legend Major Dhyanchand. Okay, this is a huge noble initiative, isn't it? Okay, and Major Dhyanchand's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day. National Sports Day, right? And he won 3 Olympic golds for the country in hockey. ठीक है? And the award, this award was inaugurated in 1991-92. Okay, certificate and a cash prize of rupees 25 lakhs. Okay, next one. So yes, with this we come to the end of today's session. 45 में आपको कितना मिला? Please do mention in the comment section. Okay, out of 45 how much did you get? Okay, and this is today's homework. Comment section में मुझे answer चाहिए after this class is over. Answer in the comment section. Who has been sworn in as the new president of Iran? ये न्यूज़ में था recently. Okay, it was also uploaded on our app and website. And R.K. Dahiya, Ravi Kumar Dahiya has won silver medal at Tokyo Olympics. So you just have to say he is associated with which sports? He is associated with which sports? I want everyone's answer in the comment section. Okay, I want every viewers, every students answer in the comment section. Okay. So with this we come to the end of today's session, right? Channel को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा and please do share this video. Okay, just like China had spread COVID-19 all across the world, आपका भी एक responsibility बनता है. Do spread this video in all groups among your friends, acquaintances, everyone. Okay, so that everyone can benefit from this free class. Okay, such that ये जो फ्री क्लास है इसका बेनिफिट सब लोग ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस, राइट. एंड जो चैनल का जो हमारे जो ये टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक है, ओके, आपको ये मिल जाएगा हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. ओके, प्लीज़ डू डाउनलोड द PDF फ्रॉम द टेलीग्राम चैनल, राइट. और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का भी लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब, डू लाइक, because hitting a like takes a fraction of a second and it will obviously give me some motivation to continue these free classes for you. ठीक है. तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड सभी दोस्तों के साथ ये वीडियो शेयर कर दीजिएगा, राइट. सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस. as I know there are so many upcoming examinations. Okay, CHSL admit card is out and already the exams have started. CGL admit card will be out very soon. Okay, dates are out. Okay, state PSC exams are going on. Okay, banking exams are going on. So तैयारी जारी रखिए and stay motivated, stay hydrated and always stay positive. Okay, right, always stay positive, right. Stay happy and keep preparing for your upcoming examinations. I wish you all the best. सो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. एंड ट्यूसडे आपका वेडनेसडे आपका DI क्लास रहेगा. मंडे टू फ्राइडे रीजनिंग क्लासेस तो चलेगा ही. ठीक है, मेंस का रीजनिंग क्लासेस, उसके साथ साथ वेडनेसडे सो वेडनेसडे यू विल हैव योर डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन DI क्लास. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. तो इंग्लिश क्लासेस विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट वेरी सून. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. बेल आइकन प्रेस करने से आपको चैनल का जो क्लास का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. ओके, ठीक है. तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. टिल देन टेक केयर गाइस एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.